RAG-grounded answers in your data. But there's still a problem. By default, a chat model forgets everything the moment it responds. Every call to invoke starts from zero. The model has no idea that a previous conversation happened. It isn't stored anywhere by default. Chat models aren't broken, they're just stateless by design. They only ever see exactly what's inside the current prompt. Memory in LangChain means explicitly storing past messages yourself, then feeding them back into the prompt on every new turn. Conversation buffer memory keeps a running log of every input and output pair, saving each turn as it happens. Load memory variables pulls that stored history back out, formatted and ready to be inserted into the next prompt. Underneath, message history is just an ordered list of human and AI messages, growing by one pair every turn. That history gets prepended to every new prompt. So from the model's perspective, it looks like one continuous conversation. With memory in place, the same question that failed a moment ago now gets answered correctly because the history was right there in the prompt. Without memory, every question stands alone. With memory, the model behaves as if it genuinely remembers the whole conversation. Memory is what makes chatbots feel coherent across turns, and it's a building block agents rely on for longer, multi-step tasks. Memory turns 4 separate calls into one continuous thread the model can actually follow. Next, we'll formalize that with LangGraph's state graphs.